Do something a little different this time. Just a little bit of backlight behind us. As you can see, it is October 18th, 2022. It is 63 degrees in here. And it will get colder overnight because, one, we have no sunlight right now. And this is so far the coldest days of the year. It's going to be in the 30s shortly. We haven't ran the furnace at all yet this year. But now it's time. So here we go. And this is year 8 with this furnace and 0 repairs. Yeah, bump up to 69 for now. Yeah. Hold it till 11. And just me standing in the hall made it do that. Sort of showing we got some progress going on the walls, finally.
It's true.
By next year, this will be in a couple weeks, this will be closed completely. That's returned up this mountain.
Special shout out and thanks to Liz, our star patron.